Yeah guys, I need a couple things since I was up north anyway. So I'm looking for some curtains for a room that I'm redoing, a couple of glass containers for the pantry that I need for a few items that just don't have a place, and I'm gonna look and see if they have any greenery that might do for my table. There was something else and I can't remember what it was. And cloudberry jam if they have that, because I like it. And then I'll just show you a couple tricks. If you're not used to Ikea and you happen to visit one, I will show you how you can get around all the showroom floor and skip right to the shopping. So if you get tired of walking through the showrooms, you look in one of the corners and you'll see a sign that tells you this is a shortcut to get to the home decor, self-service furniture, getting closer to the checkout. So look for those. They're tucked into the corners of the showrooms. guys, I'm back from Ikea, so I wanted to show you what I got. So I got a white set of those drawer organizers and a gray set, one for me, one for hubby. We'll see if it works. Not sure if I'm gonna actually use them, but if I don't use them in the drawers that I think I will, then I'll probably find another use for them, but that was a pretty good price for those. And this little cutting board, I just thought this wood was really pretty. And these, I haven't used these before. I don't really need them for jars, but I thought that was a pretty good idea for cucumbers and, I don't know, maybe smaller bowls. Instead of using plastic wrap, these are reusable. So a couple of bamboo bowls and just a plate, decorative plate. And I got some extra rings for these jars. I got 3 of the taller jars. They do have a ring in them, but I didn't see that. I thought that you had to buy these separately. It's nice to have extra around because they do wear out, so well, it doesn't hurt to have a few extra. And then a couple of the medium candles. I don't know. They're still small, but not as small as these. And these are, you know, still gonna last a lot longer than the tea lights, so I like having some of those around. And then I got the drapes, this one set. So there's 2 panels in here, and I don't know if you could hear me in the store, but for $30 for 2 panels, that's a really good price, and it's a really thick material. They're made well. I have another set of these in a different area of the house. So for $15 a panel, that's really good. And then this is an ironing board pad and cover. And I got this little money tree. It's a little bonsai tree, but I don't know the real name of it. Maybe that's it. That's probably the name of this tree. I don't know. But I've always had one, and the one that I have right now is really getting old and it's not doing well, so I wanted to get another one. These are real. Ikea does have a few real plants, so. And then I got some of their veggie balls, like, you know, it's supposed to be like meatballs, but the ingredients are pretty good. And then something very similar, but like this is a veggie dog, so put it on a bun or whatever. So I'll probably try those on the grill. And that charcuterie board or cutting board, whatever you want to use it for, but it was a really good price for a piece that big. So, and I have a project in mind in the next couple of weeks to a month to do with some boards like this. So, and that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and come back and see me next time. Have a blessed day. Bye.